Said that my average speed.
Hello everybody, welcome to the flying field. We got some chopper flying action for you.
So what do you like? Have you actually flown your...
I've wrecked my gun. I've flown it probably 20, 30 times. You ever seen it fly out here? Yeah, I fly it every time. No, I like it now. I changed my V-bar to V-bar up off the castle. Head holds right. I'm getting ready to buy another 7 meters now. I don't have anything smaller besides micro. I figured if I'm going to come out here, might as well have a big one anyways.
Well, no, I haven't decided about that. Actually, I think I might have it 6:30.
That's way. Because they're probably going to come out in the next 6 months. They're going to have 570 runs 5,000 batteries.
Yeah, I mean, that's another thing. I don't know that I want
if you can mix all your helicopters with the same batteries, it's not good. You know, like if I'm that size 570, so I can have the same packs. Packs are high to all. But I'm getting a Diablo in the next couple of weeks. Can't wait for that, and then I gotta build it. Actually, it'll probably be like 2 months, because I'm on pre-order. Back order, and then about 4 days. So what batteries you get? Man, they raised the price. Yeah. That makes me mad. Well, I bought the 32 I have now. Yeah, that's what I was getting. I'd like to have the 60Cs, but those are real high dollar. Well, you know.
Bam! That was freaking awesome, man.
Oh yeah, got out
wow.
First flight, took it up, shut it off.
That is a goblin.
Which one, your 700? Yeah.
Man, you're the man.
I'll try that one.
That is a 500
Well, I don't have any.
Sab Heli Division. It's a goblin, right?
Yep. Goblin 5.
This is all carbon. Check this out, guys. It's got a carbon boom, carbon skids.
That goblin, when I wrecked it, I tried to auto it and I got about 5 feet off the ground and wrecked it. So I was like, you know, I could have saved that.
How many cell battery is that?
6 cell. It's 4,500.
Oh, yeah, you're not.
Is that pretty much end of its? I mean, it drained it. That
Yeah,
fly?
I get 3 something out of it. 3 minutes flat.
But you don't try
I kill it. So
Is there really a lot of difference between like that helicopter and this one?
there's quite a lot actually. They have a solid aluminum piece here and a stack, and you've got these servos sitting on top of this aluminum. And what you get is no flex. It's very solid. Where you've got this old design in carbon, that flexes a lot. So this 500 flies a lot more like a 700 because it's so solid in these mechanics down here.
Because there's nothing to push against.
I see.
Yeah.
I see.
So they're pretty good actually. They fly really well.
Okay, I got what you're saying. Yeah, I could
That's crazy. You next? We're gonna make you famous.
I don't think one of my helicopters
Oh, I've seen you fly before. You're pretty good.
And I know you haven't seen me fly.
Well, look who's here. What's up, Calvin?
Flash.
Haven't you
Alright guys, we'll be back with more from the shop or from the flying field.